Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can send out different emails for digital products in Woocommerce. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then click Add New. Now, in the search bar, type Woocommerce Conditional Emails or Automate Woo. Install and activate one of these plugins. Both let you create custom email rules based on product type, category, or purchase conditions. Once it's activated, go to Woocommerce, then Settings, and then Emails. Here, you'll see the default Woocommerce emails like order confirmation, completed order, and customer invoice. With the plugin, you'll now have extra options to create new email templates or set conditions. Click on Add New Email or Add Workflow if you're using Automate Woo. Now, set a condition like, send this email only if the product type is digital. You can also filter by product category, tags, or even specific product names. Next, customize your email subject, message, and design, for example. Include a download link, thank you message, or license information for your digital items. After setting it up, click Save Changes or Activate Workflow. Now, whenever a customer buys a digital product, Woocommerce will automatically send your custom email, while normal products will still send the standard email. And that's it. Now you know how to send out different emails for digital products in Woocommerce automatically and professionally. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.